Hello, good morning. Vaccination is the best strategy to prevent your children from deadly diseases like diphtheria, pertussis, which is known as whooping cough, hepatitis B, tuberculosis, poliomyelitis. You might not be hearing about these diseases recently because the medical science has done a lot of progress in last 50 years and has come up with the best possible innovations in the field of immunization and vaccines. Because of this, all the countries in the world with the best clinical and scientific and public health minds, they have come up with some good vaccines and a very good immunization schedule to save the children of the world. We at dcare, Yashwant Place, Chanakyapuri, understand and are mindful of these innovations and the strategies that countries follow. And we have accordingly uh, kept the best possible and the most comprehensive coverage for vaccination of children as per their country of origin. So, in India, we follow the Universal Immunization Program guidelines. For the British citizens, we have the NHS guidelines, and for the American citizens, we have the CDC guidelines. We are mindful of the importance of these guidelines, and accordingly, we provide coverage to children who come to our clinic. And in addition to just having the vaccines, we have a very well trained, internationally trained nursing staff who have already provided their services at the best of international places. So the protocols are defined, the practices are standardized, and the stock is there. In addition to that, we also take care that once the vaccine is given to the child, we are able to manage any possible side effect or adverse event of the vaccine, which happens in most of the vaccines. And so we have a very good stock of all the medicines and essential drugs which are required to cater to any such situation. We also are mindful of the cold storage and logistics which are required to keep the vaccines at their optimum efficacy. In addition, we also have a proactive follow-up for the patients we give the vaccines. So that, which is like not provided by any corporate hospital in Delhi NCR. We make calls to know whether the child is having or not having any side effects so that intervention can be given at the right time and any kind of management which is required is provided to the child promptly, even before the parents are able to recognize any features related to the adverse event. So you can be very sure and certain of getting the best possible service for vaccination of your child at dcare, Yashwant Place, Chanakyapuri.